Hello everyone, welcome to grade 7, lesson 1 and decimals. So here we're going to order our decimals from the lowest to the largest number. So I have my example here with me. The first number is 1,23, the second is 1,26, the third is 2,15, and then the last one is 1,15. So we're going to arrange our numbers to units, the tens, and the hundreds. So as you can see, I wrote the units, the tens, and the hundreds. So the first one is 1,23. Okay. So let's do this together. 1,23. The first tens is 1, 2, and 3. The unit is 1, the tens is 2, the hundreds is 3. And then you put your comma here. And then the next one is 1,26. And then you write 1, comma, 2, the tens, the hundreds is 6. The next one, it says 2. Then you put your comma. The tens is 1 and the hundreds is 5. And then the last one is 1, comma, the tens is 1, and then the hundreds is 5. So in order for you to know which one is the smallest and which one is the largest, you compare from the units, the tens, and the hundreds. So if the units are equal, then you go to the tens. If they're equal, then you go to the hundreds. So excuse me, like the first one is 1. The units, we have 1, 1, 2, and 1. So we want to put this from the smallest to the largest. So the 2 here is not the smallest. And then we move on to the tens. We have 2, 2, 1, and 1. So the 2 here is not. And then we move on to the hundreds. 1. We have 3, 6, 5, and 5. So which one is the smallest amongst the 4 numbers? So you start by 1,15, 2,15. Since we said the 2 is not, so the 2, we erase the 2 here. And then 1,26 is not because we have the 1 here, so erase here. And then the 1,23 is not. So the smallest is 1,15 followed by 1,23, this one, 1,23 followed by 1,26, and then the largest is 2,15. Sorry, it's 2,15 like this. So this is how you write your answer. You compare from the units, the tens, and the hundreds to find which one is the smallest. And the smallest is 1,5 followed by 1,2 followed by 1,26, and then the largest is 2,15. So let's do another example together. Let me give you another question. Seven, 6,9, 6,4, 6,6. This one you have to arrange it from the largest to the smallest. So you come and write, since we have only the tens, so you write the units and the tens. because we only have the units and the tens. There are two numbers. So you write the first one is 7,7. The next one is 6,9. Then the next one is 6,4. The next one is 6,6. So now we want to compare which one is the largest to the smallest. So you first go to the units. The units here we have 6, 6, 6, and 7. Which one is the largest? That's 7. And then we come to the tens. We have 7, 9, 4, and 6. Which one is the highest is 9. So simply because here we have 6 is the smallest, so automatically the 7 becomes the largest. So the answer would be 7,7 followed by 6,9 followed by 6,6, and then the smallest is 6,4. So you write it like 7,7, 6,9, 6,6, and then 6,4. So this is from the largest to the smallest. So let's do another exercise together. I have 0,09, 0,63, 0,76, and 1,59 from the smallest to the largest. So here, since we have three numbers, you write the units, the tens, and the hundreds. So you write your 0,09. Let me write with another pen so that you see properly. 0,09, and then the next one is 0,63 followed by 0,76. The last one is 1,59. So we want to find from the smallest to the largest. So here we have 0, 0, 0, and 1 to the units. So 1 is the largest and the 0 is the smallest. These are the smallest. And then we come to the tens. Which one is the smallest? We have 0, we have 6, we have 7, and 5. The smallest is 0 followed by 5 followed by 6 and 7. And then here the 10, the hundreds, the smallest is 3 followed by 6 followed by 9 and 9. So which one is the smallest? Here we have 0, and then here we have 0, and then here we have 9, and then here we have 0, and then here we have 6, and then here we have 3, and then here we have 0, here we have 7, and here we have 6, and then here we have 1, because all 1, 2, 3 are the smallest, so 1 is the largest here. So, and then here is 9, and 9 are two largest, so automatically they can't be the smallest. And then we have 3 and 6 here, so our arrangement will be 0, 0.63. Why 0.63? Because here is the largest and the largest, and then the smallest here is 3, right? So followed by 0.76. Here. Okay, the first one is 0.63, followed by 0.76, and then followed by 0.09, and then the last one is 1.59, like this. So you just compare from the units, the tens and the hundreds, which one is the smallest in each group, like this. So here we have the 3 zeros, so 1 becomes the largest here, and here we have 0, 6, 7 and 5, so automatically 1 becomes the smallest and 7 becomes the largest. And then here we have 9, 3, 6 and 9, so automatically the 3 becomes the smallest and 9 becomes the largest. So since we have 2, 9, so you look at the tens, which one is the smallest amongst the tens? The smallest is 0, so this one is smaller than this one, and then the last number here. So here we have 0.63, which is the smallest of all, and then we have 0.76, which is the second smallest, and 0.09, which is the third smallest, and 1.59, which is the largest. So this is all how you do your decimals from the smallest to the largest. So this is all for our lesson. Until we meet again. Bye for now.